Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we have seen so many bullish reversal signals before this rally, and one of them was this harmonic bullish reversal bat pattern that I shared with you on 9th of July when I told you that the price action can complete this final leg, and from here it can reverse bullish towards the upside because this was a perfect Fibonacci based harmonic bullish bat pattern. Now I'm just going to play the chart and you can see that the price action completed this final leg in reverse bullish from this potential reversal zone of the bat pattern. And at the same time, we also saw that the price action also completed formed a very big falling wedge on the daily time frame, and we also saw this 4-hourly time frame falling wedge, and there were also a dodgy dragonfly candlestick appeared on the daily time frame that was the bullish reversal signal. And finally we had here a bullish engulfing candlestick that was appeared on the daily time frame. Now this is very important chart that I shared with you on 25th of July, that we are having very strong upcoming resistance at $36,000 and $39,500. Now I'm just going to play the chart and you can see that the price action broke out here at $36,000 and rejected by $39,500, moved down and again rallied up to $40,550. Now if we take a look at the different candlesticks, then we also have some confluence points at $40,000 as well. Therefore, we can watch for the daily closing above $39,500 to $40,000. Like here we have this resistance at $39,000, and you can see here the price action has been rejected by $39,000, but we also have this level as well. So for the safer side, we can watch the closing above $40,000 on the daily time frame, and our target for this falling wedge after this breakout was the tail of this falling wedge that I have been telling you that is $41,000, and the candlestick went very close to this target. Now you can see on the daily time frame the price action has been rejected by this 100 simple moving average. That is also very big resistance for the price action on the daily time frame. Then we will have the 200 simple moving average resistance as well. But the more important thing is on the weekly time frame chart, this EMA 21. This is very important, and you can see that at the same time the price action is also trying to break out this EMA 21. And if I place my mouse here, you can watch the value of EMA 21 here. This is the value of EMA 21, and you can see the value is $39,285. So once we will have the closing above $40,000, that is a very strong resistance at this time. We will be also above the EMA 21 weekly as well, and that will increase the confidence of the traders, and there will be a lot of traders jump into the Bitcoin. They will start buying Bitcoin. Like previously I've been telling you, whenever the Bitcoin will be moved in this territory from $31,000 to $28,800, then you will watch a lot of buying in this level. And you can see whenever the candlesticks were moving in this level, then bears were getting weaker in this level. You can see that the wicks of the candlesticks are telling us the real story here. Now the question is, are we rejected by this EMA 21 weekly? My answer is so far no, because if we take a look at this oscillator, the stochastic, you can see that it's still almost oversold. We have still a lot more capacity to move up from here. You can see that it is almost in the oversold, and we have received the buying signal. And if I place the MACD indicator here as well, then we can see that MACD is continuously turning bullish. Let me just show you the MACD as well. You can see that it was giving us very strong sell signals here. Now it is turning bullish every day, every week it is turning bullish. And at the same time, if we switch back to the daily time frame chart again, here I have placed this RSI. We can see that RSI has broken out a very long-term down trend line resistance here. And previously, whenever the RSI done this, the price action started a very, very big rally after that. For example, let me just show you the most recent incident before this, when the RSI broke out this downtrend line resistance here in September 2020. Then you can see after that the price action turned really very strong bullish. And before this, if we move back to 2017, then here on the daily time frame, we had this downtrend line resistance, same as like we are having at this time. And the RSI broke out this resistance here. And after that, you can see that the price action turned really very strong bullish, and we saw the $20,000 all-time high level the Bitcoin set in 2027. And same as like that, currently the RSI has repeated this act again. This was a very long trend line, longer than the previous one that we have seen just in September 2020 and back in 2017 as well. This is very long term, and here the RSI has broken out this resistance, this downtrend line resistance, and the price action is following this signal, it is moving up with the RSI. So now we can expect a very big bullish rally, like the Bitcoin has been doing in the previous history as well. But before this, it is really very important for the price line to close above the weekly EMA 21. And the price action is trying to break out the EMA 21 weekly. So it depends where it will be closed after this week. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you will find here, then you can find the link in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.